In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the invisible decrease. So all you will need for this is your yarn and your crochet hook. I will leave links in the description box below of the materials that I have used today if you want to check those out. I'll also leave a link to the pattern which is on my website where you can find the written step-by-steps for this if you prefer to use that. There'll also be a pinnable image so that you can save this for later. Okay, so here is my little swatch that I have. So you can imagine if we are working in the round, we want to do an invisible decrease. So as we're looking at my work, I have the right side facing and I'm working in a clockwise motion. So first of all, I'll just show you how we would do double crochet two together as a decrease. Remember, I'm working in UK terms. In the US, this will be single crochet. So normally you will go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all three, and it just can look a little bit bulky. So I'm going to show you an alternative way now. So as I say, we're working in a clockwise motion here. So for that, we will want to work into the front loops, the ones that are facing us. So you're going to go into that front loop with your hook, and then into the next front loop with your hook, yarn over and pull through both of those loops, and then yarn over, pull through two loops, and it just makes the stitch look that much better. So it's a lot cleaner than the traditional way. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this quick tip. If you did, make sure that you share it with your friends, click that like button, and don't forget to click that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye!